Welcome back. So this is the last look at this idea of using an automated chain selector and then using the scale device plugin to essentially constrain the notes that are being selected, and then using these to essentially generate bass lines. So this example is just a very quick one in that it just shows you that it doesn't have to be kind of techno, kind of, house or whatever else. It can be almost anything you want. So this kind of sits in a bit more of a funk, kind of rare groove kind of way. Let's listen to the bass line on its own. And as you can see, we've got 4 notes that are chosen here. This is the rhythm, which isn't really much of a rhythm. And this is the automated pattern. If you remember the one from last week, you can actually just move the start point around and change the sort of the relationship of the line to the rhythm. Let's have a listen to that one. It kind of really changes your perception. Let's start from So this is a really good way of managing bass lines, coming up with new ideas. And it's especially good if you feel that you're not very good at kind of playing stuff in real time. And it kind of gets you out of the idea of always kind of being in the grid and trying to use the pencil tool. I know it's a slight variation of the pencil tool by using the automation, the envelope window, but it kind of gives you a different way of kind of looking at it. And really, at the core, is basically deciding what notes you actually want to hear for your pattern. And any ones where you want to kind of change them. If we looked at this one here, we could change the note there. Move them around. And you can hear the change. So if you wanted to hear that note more, right? So there you go. Okay, if you like this content, please remember to like and subscribe, and see you next time.